morning, students. Welcome to accountancy class. I am Vijay Anand. We were studying chapter 4, change in profit sharing ratio, and the topic was adjustment of capitals. In the last class, we studied the need to adjust the capital. There were two reasons for which we adjust the capital that we have discussed in the last class. And also we studied that there are two types of questions that could be asked in the examination. Type 1 was adjustment of partner's capital if total capital of the new firm is not given. So in this case, we calculated the present adjusted capital of the partners. We calculated the present adjusted capital of the partners. This was calculated with the help of capital account of the partners. We prepared the capital accounts, and in the opening capital we adjusted goodwill, revaluation profit or loss, and reserves and accumulated profits and losses. Then we arrived at the present adjusted capital of the partners. Now, by adding up all these present adjusted capital of all the partners, we arrived at the total capital of the firm. Now, this total capital of the firm was divided in the new profit sharing ratio in order to arrive at new capital of the firm that is to be kept by the partners. And now this new capital has been arranged in the profit sharing ratio of the partners, that is new profit sharing ratio of the partners. Now we compared this new capital with the present adjusted capital, that is actual adjusted capital of the partners, and the surplus or deficit was treated with the help of the journal entries in which the partners would have brought in or withdrawn the excess, withdrawn the surplus or excess money. So if the partner's capital falls short or has shortage of the required capital means new capital. So if the required capital, that is new capital, is more than present adjusted capital, in that case the partner were asked to bring more capital. So if the question asks you to adjust this shortage with the help of cash, then such partners will have to bring in more capital. If the questions ask you to that this shortage will be treated with the help of current account of the partners, then in that case concerned partners current account will be debited and concerned partners capital account will be credited. Similarly, there could be a reverse case where partners capital are surplus of the required capital, where partners capital, that is actual adjusted capital, is more than the required capital, that is new capital. In that case such partner may withdraw the surplus or excess capital, or this surplus could be adjusted with the help of current account also. So if the question asks that such partners will withdraw this surplus capital, then the journal entry would be concerned partners capital account debit to bank account. If the question asks you that this surplus will be transferred to their current account, in that case instead of bank account the entry would be concerned partners capital account debit to concerned partners current account. Now today we are going to discuss type 2 of adjustment of capital, where you will be given the total capital of the firm in the question itself. So adjustment of partners capital if total capital of the new firm is already given. if the total capital of the new firm is already given, means this total capital has been decided by the firm, that is by partners. They have decided that they will keep this much capital in the new firm. So total capital they have decided, they have agreed. So you will divide this total capital among the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. So this total capital is divided into new profit sharing ratio. So this capital, this new capital thus arrived, is nothing but the capital which the partners have decided to keep it in future. So this is the required capital. This is new capital. This new capital is nothing but required capital that the partners have decided to keep in future as their capital balances. Now you are required to calculate the present adjusted capital as usual. Usually the way you calculate the present adjusted capital, that is opening capital is adjusted with goodwill and revaluation profit or loss and reserves and accumulated profits and losses, so or any drawings if there is any. So all these adjustments will be made to the opening capital in order to arrive at the present adjusted capital. Now this present adjusted capital will be compared with the new capital as calculated in the second step. Now new capital is nothing but the required capital that is the partners decided to keep in future, and the present adjusted capital is their actual capital. Now after comparing this new capital with present adjusted capital, there could be shortage or deficit which will be dealt with the help of journal entries as follows. So if the partner's capital falls short of the required capital is the new capital and partner's capital is the present adjusted capital. If present adjusted capital is less than required capital, then such partner will have to bring more capital. So the question may ask you that this capital, this shortage will be treated with the help of cash or check, that is cash or bank account. So in that case you will pass an entry for introduction of capital, that is bank account debit to concerned partner's capital account. So if the question asks that this shortage will be adjusted with the help of current account of the partners, in that case concerned partner's current account will be debited and concerned partner's capital account will be credited. Instead of bank account, concerned partner's current account will be debited. What would be the journal entry when reverse is the case? When partner's capital, that is partner's capital means present adjusted capital, is more than new capital, that is actual adjusted capital, present adjusted capital is more than new capital, that is required capital. In that case the surplus will be withdrawn by the partners. Such partners may withdraw the surplus or excess capital. So if the question asks that such surplus will be withdrawn by the partners, then concerned partners capital account will be debited and bank account will be credited. Similarly, if the questions asks you to not to deal this situation with the help of partner's current account, in that case instead of bank account, concerned partner's capital account will be debited and concerned partner's current account will be credited. So in this way the question may ask you there are two types of adjustments, and also there are two types to deal with such surplus and shortages. So thank you very much. Keep practicing.